Hi guys, I'm here to let you know that this book journal is going to be in the Etsy shop. By the time this video goes up, this journal will be for sale. I've had a lot of interest in it, so fingers crossed. But yeah, I didn't want to reserve this for anybody, so you've all got an equal chance of getting your hands on it. Links to the listing and everything will be below. This, as you guys will, well, some of you guys will remember, was my first Tsunami Rose Designs design team project in not last month, we're in March now, in January. And this was using Daisy's gorgeous kit, Birds, Bees and Peonies. But yes, so I ended up using a duvet cover. Actually, this was the pillowcase to the duvet cover as the front cover. And yeah, so I used some scrapbooking paper for the inside and then a bit more of the pillowcase to reinforce the spine. But yes, so this is a 3 signature journal, but it's been done in a TN style, a traveller's notebook style, which means that if you find the middle, they are elasticated bindings, so you can just tuck your signatures in and out. You do not need to sew the signatures. So this book, well, the cover at least, can be reused over and over again. Once it's full, you can just remove these signatures and fold some papers, cut them to size and pop your own in. But yes, so there we go. I've used a lot of lace throughout. Some lace from my stash. This is part of the kit. Gorgeous. This is the kit. If it's all Daisy's kit apart from the coloured papers which were from my stash. Yes, I've made some tags. Well, I haven't made the tags. The tags came with the kit. I've just used offcuts of the pillowcase as tag toppers, and then just used plain paper clips to clip them in so they can be moved around, but also so that it gives the book some fluffiness at the top as well as the sides. But yes, and the pattern papers, so the kit papers, have been backed with papers from my own stash, and they have been glued together and then sewn just to make them a little bit thicker. Yeah, another piece from the kit. All this is ephemera from the kit. They've been printed on matte photo paper. Yes, another gorgeous one from the kit. I made this from, again, another duvet cover that I chopped up and then made a ruffle, added some lace to it and made a material ruffle. Some more ephemera. A bit of washi tape on there because I ripped the page. Some tea-dyed papers. Another kit page. Gorgeous. Another tag. Some more of the ephemera. Sorry guys, I'll just zoom you in a little bit. There we go. Another kit page. Some lace from my stash. And then I've used some lace from my stash as 2 big pockets in the middle signature. They hold plenty. Some paper. Like I said, they're all from my own stash. And this has been tea-dyed and then it's had other digital kits laid on top while it's been wet to get the colour transfer. Some more lace and the kit page. Another tag. So I've basically alternated every page, so you've got plain page, then a kit page. These are the backs again, some more material ruffles I made myself. There is a tiny envelope from the kit and then some leftover ephemera in there. A little pocket. Another tag. That's the end of signature 1. And signature 2. I've labelled the signatures as well because this kit was birds, bees and peonies. Signature 1 is birds, signature 2 is bees, and of course, when I find it, signature 3 is peonies. So if you ever take them out, you always, like, it doesn't really matter, you can put them wherever you want, but you can remember which order they went back in. Yes, another tag from the kit. No, that's not a pocket, that's just glued on. Another ruffle with lace. Some more ephemera, and I love this kit. This kit here, this is part of the kit, it's like an advertisement, and it says the Lancashire Golf Company, Spring Gardens, Manchester. Now, I said this in the video whilst I was making this journal, before coming on to Daisy's design team members. We kind of, I mean, I know Daisy through watching her videos, Daisy doesn't really know me, but it was kind of, me and my friend Michelle were laughing and saying, oh, it's fate, because I live in Lancashire. I do not live in Manchester, but I live in Lancashire, not far from Manchester. How coincidental was that? So, yeah, some more ephemera, another kit page, tag, B from the kit page. It's just gorgeous again, like I said, middle signature, double, nice big double pocket. So yeah, tag, some more ephemera, pocket. So I've left it fairly plain for lots of journaling space, but the colour, it didn't need any other colour than the kit pages and the other pages that I added in between. Piece of ephemera, another ruffle that I did, more ephemera, there's lots of ephemera. Yeah, lots of tags as well, and the tags have been printed onto the tags are actually printed onto cardstock, not matte photo paper. Again, another double pocket in the centre of the signature. Lots of tucks and stuff. Nice and bright and cheerful. I love this kit. So, there we go. I love these ruffles as well. I'm going to have to make some more. Another tag. And there we are at the end of the signature. Oh, at the end of signature 3. And the end of the book, and that was also part of the ephemera too. So there you go, guys. Like I said, it is a 3 signature journal. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28. Oh, I've lost count. I had this worked out. I lost count. There's 80 something pages, front and back. I will pop it in the description. Me and maths don't work, and especially this early in the morning. It's only 9:05. But yes, so there you go, guys. There's the journal. I've been hanging on to it for long enough. I just used some not sari silk at all. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It is organza. Oh my gosh. Organza ribbon. I've used some blue and some pink to tie in with the colours, but obviously when it's together it looks more purple. But yes, so they are loose. You can untie it and retie it. I just squish the book in the middle and move it on and off because it took ages to get that bow right. But yes, so there you go, guys. A short but sweet video, and just to let you know, this journal will be up for sale as soon as you are watching this video. The links to the listing and over in the Etsy shop are below. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for your support throughout the whole making of this journal back in January, and I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.